Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm sharing an air-cooled jacket that I got inspired to make because of the warm weather. I want to clarify that this is not my invention. Air-cooled jackets have existed for a while, but one thing that bothers me about their design is that they usually have the fans placed in the lower back. An air-cooled jacket is basically a jacket with a built-in fan or fans. At first, fans in the lower back may seem out of the way, but if I were to try to put on a backpack or sit down, I would quickly come to realize that they're very much in the way. Some models have the fans a little bit to the side, but that also becomes problematic if I try to tighten the hip belt on my backpack. After spending some time thinking about these issues, I came to realize that putting the fans on the chest would be the most optimal solution for me. So, how did I proceed to make my own air-cooled jacket? Well, I first ordered a set of fans from AliExpress with a USB cable. These fans are made specifically for this purpose, and they can be attached to fabrics of various thicknesses. Then I took an old jacket and cut circular holes big enough for the fans on the chest. For a project like this, I recommend using a light wind-proof jacket. I find that it is a good idea for the jacket to be able to be tightened on the waist, the sleeves and the head so that air can inflate the jacket. If I just wear my jacket, as I normally do, and there is strong sunlight, I can feel the sun rays heating me up on the spots where they hit the jacket. But creating a bit of distance between the jacket and my skin leads to a bit more insulation. One additional bonus is that if I want some air blown at my face, all I need to do is look down my neck. Installing the fans is as simple as screwing the grill until the fabric is gripped tightly. Since my jacket has mesh pockets on the places where I installed the fans, I had to make holes for the cable connecting the two fans. After connecting the fans, it was time for the power source. Having a USB cable meant that I can power both of the fans with a simple power bank that I can just store in one of the pockets. And, depending on the capacity of the power bank, the fans can run for hours. So there it is, my own air-cooled jacket. I can make use of 3 different fan settings, and I must say that even at the lowest setting, it still feels cool and refreshing. Now, it does have its limitations. Tightening a backpack chest strap is still an issue. The air on the outside needs to be below a certain temperature for the fans to actually have a cooling effect, and it does look a bit awkward. But, as the saying goes, if it looks stupid but it works, then it's not stupid. So, this was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.